Lucy Jennings from the Creativity Patch. Come along with me and let's do some happy weaving. And now I'm going to take the cotton yarn, and what I'm going to do is twine all the way down the slope of this hill here. And so to measure it, I'm going to take the yarn and just see how long it would take to go down that slope. About like that. So of course, I want more than that. I'm going to make it be about double that, just to be sure. And then I'm going to take it and double it again. Cut it off. Now I'm going to show you how to twine. You take one end, put it through the left warp thread, and you meet the two ends, just like that. Then you pull it through, and then you let one of the yarns go below and one above, so it looks like a V. Now I want to tell you, I'm left-handed, so it's most comfortable for me to go left to right. If it's most comfortable for you to go right to left, then you would start at this end and just twine up this way. It doesn't really matter. Now let me show you how to do the twining. You take the bottom yarn and you make it go through the next warp thread above that yarn on top here. So it goes like this. It twists over. Now it's gone above. So now this one is going to go above that yarn around the next warp thread and kind of pull them a little bit tight so that they look nice and even. Then you'll take the bottom one again and it will go underneath the next warp thread, just like so. And you just keep taking the bottom one and it goes underneath the next one. So it's actually twisting around each warp thread. And after you get going a little bit, you can pack it down like that. And it's going to be outlining our shape. So I'll just keep going on. The bottom one goes above the top one, just like so. After you do a little bit, then pack it down and keep twining. And we'll finish these ends off later on and just let them go down underneath for right now. Now it's time to start the next color. If you'd like to learn more about weaving, subscribe to my channel. And be sure to check out my website, The Creativity Patch. There's lots more things to learn there, and I've got some really fun weaving kits. See you there, and happy weaving!